Let's create this gelex looking like acrylic together. So our nails is nicely prepped, okay, and then we're going to be adding our base coat. Like I used to say to you guys, as long as it's actually a gel, gel X nail, always apply your base coat. Either you apply it on your clients or either it's a press on nails. Always apply your base coat before applying any base color of your choice, okay? So this is what is given after curing for 60 seconds. And then we're going to be applying our base color, which is this nude. You can choose to apply any particular color of your choice. Depends on the design that you're actually going for, okay? So we're going to apply our nude color and then we'll dive over to the next step. So to avoid this video to be too lengthy, we're going to be doing the rest of camera, and this is what is given after curing for 60 seconds, and then we will dive over to the next step, which is our French tips, okay? So for my beginner nail tech, okay, this is a very detailed way of how to draw your French tip, okay? So just watch the video and understand. You can also save this video to watch later, so you can always come back in case you miss a point, because definitely guys, you will definitely miss a point or forget one or two and then you would like to watch the video back. So do where to save this video, okay? For layer, okay, so I'm going to be giving you two. We're not going to be doing the whole hand of on camera, okay? So I'm going to be just be doing two hands on camera, okay? Just for you, my loves. So guys, there are so many ways to actually draw your French tips, okay? But this is actually one of the easiest way that makes French tips easier for me, okay? There are so many details to tell how to draw French tips, which I have on the channel, so you can check our playlist, okay, to find your preferred video. And you can also scroll on the street of YouTube here. You will get so many videos of how to draw your French tips, okay? Yeah. So guys, I always prefer curing, okay, each hand before or each design before going over to the second one, to avoid it getting stained, or to avoid it getting spoiled, okay? Yeah, so I always cure each hand or each finger that I do or each design before going over to the second one, okay? So let's do the other hand, which I said I'm going to be doing two hands here on camera for you guys, okay, on how to draw your French tips, and then we'll dive over to the next step. So I believe if you are watching this video up to this extent, that means you're actually enjoying this video, okay, and you're actually interested. So please give me a thumbs up at the end of watching this video, and always stay tuned to all my videos, okay? Always watch the videos to the end, because each minute has its own details, okay? In all my videos, each minute from beginning to the end has its own details, okay? This is actually a tutorial channel, so each minute here has its own detailed. And do well to subscribe if this is your first time coming across this channel. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me, because without you guys, I'll be discouraged, no encouragement in coming back, okay? So let's dive over to the next step, which is our matte gel. I'm literally applying my matte gel, okay, on the finger that we did not add our French tips, okay. Yeah, so that we can get that ombre, design. Guys, I actually got an airbrush, but I don't know how to use it. So yeah, I always get my ombre and aura design, through the manual way, which is using this iPad eyeshadow palette, using your pigment powder, or using a gel polish. Okay, I've given you guys so many tutorials of how to get ombre and aura design without an airbrush. Okay, so you can always check the channel to find your preferred video. So as you can see, basically after applying the matte gel, you cure for 60 seconds, and this is what is going to be giving you. And then you start applying your powder just the way I'm doing it. Just tap, 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 tap. Just apply until you are satisfied with what it's giving you. Okay, and yeah, voila, you are getting your aura design. Guys, it's actually came out so beautiful. So as you can see, I'm mixing two shades of brown, okay, to give me what I actually wanted. And I think it came out pretty nice at the end of the day. Yeah, so as soon as you are done, you dust off, okay. Yeah, and then I did the other hand off camera, and then we're going to dive over to the next step. You see how beautiful it's already, giving already. Always trust the process, guys. So now we're going to be using our black gel polish to draw. I don't know what I should call this design. Is this zigzag or zebra or leopard skin? But yeah, I shall understand what I am doing, okay, with our black gel polish and our tiny brush mount. Okay, this design actually looks beautiful, but it's actually very, very easy. Okay, so just watch the video and understand. Okay. So that is it for this particular, and okay, and yeah, let's dive over to the next step, which is the to define this our ombre design or aura design very well. Okay, so we're going to be drawing French tips, okay, round around the nails. Okay, just watch the video and understand, guys. Like I used to say, I'm not really good at voiceovers. Okay, so I try to do voiceovers just to communicate and connect with you guys. Okay, but I'm not too good at it, and so please just manage me like that. Just always watch the video and understand it. Okay. So this is what is given, and of course I did the rest off camera. I did the other hand off camera. Okay, and then yes, let's dive over to the next step, guys. There's no time. We always dive over to the next step. So I'm going to be adding my blooming gel, okay, on this particular finger, okay, and then just drop 3 dots, allow it to bloom, and then you cure, okay, just to pop the design out. At this point, guys, we are 90% done. Okay, so what we are doing, we are going to be using our rhinestone glue. Okay, and then with our charms, okay, to pop out the design. So I'm going to be applying the glue on the place we're going to be dropping our charms. Okay, yeah, so just watch the video and you know get what I'm saying. And that is basically it, guys. So I'm going to be adding our top coat of camera, and this is what it's giving, guys. Beauty. Somebody shouts beauty. Guys, you cannot tell me this design dey it, guys. You cannot tell me this design is not giving. It's giving simple and beautiful. Okay, so please drop your comments, like this video, share this video so that YouTube can keep recommending this small channel to other viewers. Okay, we are already 1 year on this channel, and guys, we're not even up to 300 subscribers yet. Please, the only way to encourage and support me is by subscribing and engaging on my channel. All right, guys, see you in our next video. Bye bye.